Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Amazon Basics steel jack stands, 3 tons, pair of them. So yeah, this is the unboxing. It's already been unboxed because all it is plastic. I mean, it's inside the cardboard, that's it. And yeah, that's the box it comes in. So there you go guys, the unboxing is done. No, I'm joking guys, it is done, but it is what it is. So I've encountered issues. So in the reviews you see bad welds. So one of them is okay, one of them is quite bad. But to be honest, both of them are pretty shit anyway. Okay, so the welds you need to be checking is here. This is a okay weld, I'd say. This bit I'm not a big fan of, but that's not a big issue. There, it's not too bad. It's alright. It's alright. And then you got the one behind the sticker, which I can't really see. Oh shit! So I'll take the sticker off a bit. Have a look behind there. Okay, seems okay. So we'll leave that one. Alright, inside looks okay, and here is where you want to check the next welds. So all these welds should be good, especially these ones will save your life basically. So this one is okay, I guess, if you look in there. Why they don't do it right to the edge, I don't know. Well, yeah, I guess it does the job. But yeah, that one's not that bad. I'll show you that one on that one. That one is very bad. That's why I've opened the return. So I'm going to be returning these. Oh, look at the metal on that. That's gone fucking rusty. Can you see that? Yeah, look at that. Man, I think these have been sat here for quite a while actually. Alright. This side is okay, it's not too bad to weld on that one. But then when you look at this one here, these leg ones are pretty shit. Because these are meant to be holding up the whole thing. Can you see? You've got two joints only, look. On each one. There's a massive hole, can you see? Would I trust that on my life? Would I trust that on my life? That's the thing. Look at that one. You see these welds, they hold it on by two simple things. But yeah, they seem okay. But yeah, alright, so this is the thing. Make sure when you check these, they say 3 tons on them, because some of them are different. Okay, so how this works is you want the teeth side this way, because that's where the thing is, as you can see. So you lift this up, I believe, or you have to lift it up first. So you lift it up first. I'm not going to be able to do this with 2 hands, 1 hand. I'll have to time it quickly. Let's see. Okay. Come on, you bastard. Alright, we'll try. There you go. So you lift it up, and then whichever level you want it to. So say I want it there, I want to punk it down. So this piece is quite sturdy. It's a good locking system. And then when you want it back out, you could just pull it out, or you could lift it up, or just wiggle this about. It'll drop or go up if you pull it at the same time. So yeah. So this one, it's not terribly bad. But these bottom welds should be better. But yeah, if it was just this and that one was the same as this, I wouldn't mind. I would have probably kept it. But this one, I'll show you how bad the weld is. Look at that weld there. Can you see? Look how shit that weld is. Bubbling everything. There's holes in it everywhere. That is a very bad weld. I would not trust my life on that. Because if you're going underneath your car and this collapses, you're dead. That's the truth. People die like that. Because shit companies do shit like this. This side weld isn't too bad. It's just this one weld here. That's the one thing. You can already see there's a big gap there between the two metals, because that weld's not been done properly anyway, compared to this where it's closed up. Can you see the gap? So imagine with the full car on top of this, it's going to be very dangerous. Okay, this weld here, I'm not very happy with that either. It's not the best, as you can see. Let me have a look behind the sticker. I've not had a look behind the sticker actually. Okay, behind there it looks okay. Yep. Something you have to check, guys, because these companies are very dodgy sometimes. This is an Amazon branded one as well. So this was made by Amazon, and this is how bad the quality is. Quality control. Okay, these wells are not the best. But yeah, that's the main one I found. And then these legs are the same, I believe. Let's have a look. So yeah, let's see. This leg, pretty shoddy with a massive hole there. I don't get why they do two spot welds. They should just do the whole leg. It's not hard to do, and it's not going to save them any money. Like, it's a safety thing, just do it. I don't get it. This is meant to be a safety item, you know, to lift your car safely, because you have to be able to bore 3 tons. So yeah, overall the quality control of this is shocking, very poor. Would I recommend it? No. So yeah, I've ordered a replacement. Hopefully the next one's better. If not, I'm gonna return all of them, I guess. It's just awful. So that's the one thing that was putting me off buying jack stands in the first place, because they all had very bad reviews on Amazon. Every single brand. I don't know why. So if anyone has a recommendation for a good one, I originally wanted to get Sealy one, but they had bad wells as well. Even the pictures were shocking, some of them. Even with this one, they're shocking, some of them, but they were all from 2019 compared to. That's why I checked all the most recent reviews. They're all 5 stars, so I thought I'll take a chance, and it didn't work out. So yeah, hopefully the replacements are better. This one's okay, so if I get the other one and one's good, one's bad, I'm just going to switch the bad ones out and keep the bad ones in. This one's return the bad ones, keep the good one. 2 good ones. So yeah, this one, like I said, is not terribly bad. It's just the bottom legs, which should be okay. We'll see anyway, guys. If it does cause an issue, we know who to sue. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye, guys.